Electricity powers our homes. It's essential for our daily lives. Understanding how your home's electrical system works is crucial. This knowledge keeps you safe. It also lets you make informed decisions about your home. Whether you're a homeowner or a DIY enthusiast, understanding the basics of residential wiring is paramount. This knowledge empowers you to ensure your home's safety and make informed decisions about electrical projects. From changing a light fixture to embarking on a major renovation, understanding the types of wires and their uses is essential. Imagine tackling a simple wiring task and encountering unfamiliar wires. Without basic knowledge, you risk potential hazards such as electrical shocks, fires, or even damage to your appliances. Understanding the different types of wires, their capabilities, and limitations can prevent these risks. By grasping the fundamentals of residential wiring, you become a more responsible homeowner. You can confidently handle minor electrical tasks and communicate effectively with electricians for more complex projects. This knowledge is invaluable for maintaining a safe and efficient home environment. Residential wiring is like the circulatory system of your home. Just as our veins and arteries carry vital blood, electrical wiring delivers the power that brings our homes to life. It's a network of cables and components that distribute electricity from the main power source to every corner of your house. This intricate system ensures that your lights turn on with a flick of a switch, your appliances function correctly, and your electronic devices stay charged. It's what allows you to enjoy the comforts of modern living. But beyond convenience, residential wiring plays a critical role in safety. A properly installed and maintained electrical system minimizes the risks of electrical shocks, fires, and other hazards. Outdated or faulty wiring, on the other hand, can pose significant dangers. Furthermore, efficient wiring contributes to energy efficiency. By using the right types and sizes of wires, you can optimize the flow of electricity, reduce energy waste, and lower your utility bills. Non-metallic sheathed cable, or NM cable, is the most common wiring in homes. Recognizable by its flat white or yellow sheath, it's versatile, cost-effective, and easy to install. Color-coded wires simplify the wiring process, ideal for dry indoor locations like outlets and light fixtures. Avoid using NM cable in wet, outdoor, or high-heat areas. Armored cable or AC cable provides extra protection where wiring might be damaged. It features a flexible metal sheath that encases the insulated wires. This jacket safeguards wires from impacts and abrasions, commonly used in exposed or high-stress areas like basements and garages. AC cable requires metal connectors for proper grounding. Welcome to Section 5: Copper Wire, the reliable conductor. Copper wire is the industry standard for electrical conductors in residential wiring. Its exceptional conductivity, durability, and resistance to corrosion make it the ideal material for transmitting electrical current safely and efficiently. Copper wire is really the backbone of any electrical system. Copper's high conductivity allows it to carry electrical current with minimal resistance, reducing energy loss and heat buildup. This efficiency is crucial for preventing overheating, which can lead to fires or damage to appliances. The durability of copper wire ensures its longevity. It can withstand the rigors of daily use, resisting wear and tear, making it a reliable choice for long-term performance. Copper wire won't let you down. Furthermore, copper's resistance to corrosion protects it from the damaging effects of moisture and air, ensuring its conductivity remains intact over time. This resistance to corrosion is particularly important in areas prone to humidity or exposure to the elements. Now let's move on to Section 6: Aluminum wire, lightweight and cost-effective. Aluminum wire was once popular due to its lower cost and lighter weight. However, it has fallen out of favor due to safety concerns. One primary advantage is its affordability. Aluminum is also lighter, making it easier to handle and install, but it expands more with heat, which can loosen connections and increase fire risks. Section 7. Underground feeder cable. Powering outdoor features. Underground feeder cable, commonly known as UF cable, is specifically designed for burying underground. It provides a safe and reliable way to power outdoor features such as landscape lighting, fountains, and detached structures like garages or workshops. UF cable brings power to your outdoor spaces. UF cable features a durable, moisture-resistant outer jacket that protects the insulated wires inside from moisture, abrasion, and ground pressure. This robust construction makes it suitable for direct burial without the need for conduit in most applications. The insulation of individual wires within UF cable is typically thicker than that of standard NM cable to provide additional protection against moisture and potential ground faults. When installing UF cable, it's crucial to bury it at the proper depth to prevent damage from digging or lawn care equipment. Local building codes generally dictate the minimum burial depth for UF cable, but it's always best to consult with a qualified electrician to ensure compliance. Section 8. Safety first. Essential considerations for residential wiring. Working with electricity can be dangerous if not approached with caution. Always prioritize safety when dealing with residential wiring to prevent electrical shocks, fires, or other hazards. Remember, safety is paramount when it comes to electricity. Before starting any electrical work, always disconnect the power to the circuit you'll be working on. This crucial step eliminates the risk of electrical shock while you're handling wires or components. Use a non-contact voltage tester to double-check that the power is off before touching any wires. This simple tool can prevent potentially fatal mistakes. When working with wires, always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including safety glasses and insulated gloves. This gear provides an extra layer of protection against accidental contact with live wires. Never overload circuits by plugging too many devices into a single outlet or exceeding the circuit's amperage rating. Section 9. Understanding wiring. A foundation for home safety and efficiency. Understanding the fundamentals of residential wiring is not just about knowing the difference between a black wire and a white wire. It's about creating a safe and efficient living environment for you and your loved ones. Knowledge is power when it comes to your home's electrical system. By understanding the basics of residential wiring, you're empowered to make informed decisions about your home's electrical system. You can confidently tackle minor electrical tasks, such as replacing a light switch or installing a new outlet. This knowledge also enables you to communicate effectively with qualified electricians for more complex projects, ensuring the work is done correctly and safely. When you understand the basics, you can have more productive conversations with professionals. Furthermore, understanding residential wiring allows you to identify potential hazards and address them promptly. Whether it's a frayed wire, a loose connection, or an outdated electrical panel, being able to recognize these issues can prevent accidents and protect your home. Section 10. Empowering homeowners, taking charge of your electrical projects. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to something as critical as your home's electrical system. By understanding the basics of residential wiring, you're taking a proactive step towards ensuring the safety and efficiency of your home. Remember, while this essay provides a foundational understanding, it's not a substitute for the expertise of a qualified electrician. Always consult with a licensed professional for any electrical work beyond your comfort level or expertise. By staying informed, prioritizing safety, and making informed decisions, you can create a secure and energy-efficient home environment for yourself and your family.